Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. So let's get started. So if you want to set a custom watch face on your watch, of course your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application before you continue. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the app, you can tap on device. Here you should see your GTS 4 on the device page. Now find this category called watch faces and tap on the arrow to open the watch face store. Here you need to find the category called photo watch face. And you can tap on find more and we have a few templates as you can see. One of them is not free, you need to pay for it, but it's like most detailed one, or maybe not detailed, but you have a lot of info on it. Others have just like simple clock, date and step counter, but you can just pick the position of the clock. So pick the one that you enjoy the most, and here we can customize our watch face. To do it, first let's add the photo. So tap on add photo right here. And as you can see, we have two options, take photo and photos. Take photo, if you select this one, it opens the camera application. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. Photos allows you to pick the picture from your phone, basically from your photo gallery. I'm gonna use the second option. Go to collections, download, and let's say I want to use this picture. Then tap on done. And as you can see, the whole picture won't fit in on our watch face. So we need to zoom in, zoom out, and then move left, right, up, down to pick the part of the picture we want to use as our watch face. Then we can tap on select. Let me move the clock to the bottom because on the top it's not looking good. Okay, that's a lot better. As you can see, we have a preview right here. You can also change the color of the clock if you want to. And that's about all. We can tap on sync and the watch face will be uploaded. And once it's done, it will be applied on your watch. And here we have it. That's how it looks like. You can also use the portrait watch face. This is useful if you want to use some photos of people, basically portraits, on your watch face. You can tap on use now. Here you can add the photos, of course. You can add up to 10, I believe, or 8. I don't have any portraits, so I'm just gonna use some random picture, for example, of this magnificent creature. And then we can select the style of the portrait. And then tap on select. Here you have a preview. Like I said, you can add up to 10 photos. And then you can choose the style of the clock as well. And once you're done, you can, never mind. You can also add some features like a calendar, custom text, or other stuff. So you can choose what's being displayed on your watch face. And then you can tap on sync. And after it's done, it will be synchronized and applied. If you have one or more photos added, you will be able to cycle between them by tapping on the current photo or current watch face basically, or by waking up the screen. So if each time you wake up the screen, it will cycle the watch the portrait, or if you tap on it, if you have more than one, of course. And basically that's it. That's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.